100 daily English sentences for beginners. Let's start from greetings. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. How are you? I am fine. Nice to meet you. Welcome. Thank you. You are welcome. Introductions. What is your name? My name is Ankit. I am a student. I am a teacher. Where are you from? I am from India. I live in Dhanbad. How old are you? I am 20 years old. Let's be friends. Daily use sentences. Come here. Go there. Sit down. Stand up. Please wait. Listen carefully. Look at me. Open the door. Close the door. Turn on the light. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am tired. I am sleepy. I am happy. I am sad. I am ready. Let's go. Hurry up. At home. I am at home. Where is my book? This is my room. Help me. Please be quiet. I am studying. I am eating food. I am drinking water. I am watching TV. I am going to sleep. School learning. I go to school. I like English. I like reading books. This question is easy. This question is difficult. I know the answer. I don't know. Please explain. I understand. Repeat after me. Speaking English. Can you help me? What do you mean? Say it again. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. I am learning English. I want to improve my English. That's interesting. Really? That's great. Friends and conversation. How was your day? It was good. What are you doing? I am busy. I am free now. Let's play. Let's study. See you tomorrow. Take care. Have a nice day. Shopping. How much is this? It is too expensive. I like this. I want to buy it. Do you have another one? Thank you for your help. Keep the change. That's enough. I need this. Let's go home. Confidence builders. I can do it. I will try. Don't worry. Never give up. Believe in yourself. Practice every day. Keep learning. You can do it. I am confident. My English is improving every day. सब्सक्राइब करें और इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए।